Alright, so my background is basil cardstock, and I'm going to mount my picture on this wood grain pattern. However, I did not write who the manufacturer was, so this whole kit, this November kit, was all Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish, so I'm pretty sure that's probably also what it came from. And then I'm going to take 3 different patterns, and I'm going to use my circle stencil. I just had to figure out which size I needed because they're going to go all 3 right there, one stacked on top of the other beside my picture in a row. So that ornament circle is Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish. It's called Silent Night. And Theo, he's messing with the paper. And then that, see, that tree pattern is, or tree circle pattern is Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish, Oh Christmas Tree. I cannot tell you how many layouts I had to do working around his teeth marks in my paper. Little stinker. Alright. And then he's trying to play with my stuff. I'm like, no, you have your own. See? Oh, dear. He's such a pain. I'm so sorry. I kick him down, he comes back up. So I just finally, I work around him. I give up. Just bear with him. So I'm trying to figure out if I want to put another layer. So I'm going to use some of these stickers. See, he's likes to chew the packaging, chew my stickers. It's like, oh. So I'm going to put my paper up before he gets that hold of those. Alright. And that Oh Christmas Tree is from the, where is that one from? Oh, it's Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish exclusive puffy stickers. And then that's some of my, when last year, in 2019, that November, well, this is 2019, so 2018, sorry. The November and December of 2018, any of the Hip Kit Club Christmas themed or winter themed embellishments I had left over, I just put away and said, okay, I'll get them out this Christmas and add it to whatever I get for Christmas and winter themed this year in 2019. And so that is exactly what I did. So I put it in that little container for easy access. And then I'm going to add my circles. I had all these voiceovers done, but I had to get a different desktop since we're doing distance learning. My laptop was super slow. I just couldn't handle the workload, so I had to get a faster I just got a desktop, and then so my laptop hinges were broke, and so I thought, well, let me see, and I should have taken my audio from all these videos that I did, but I didn't, and so now I can't. The power wire where you plug it in, my laptop is so old that part just broke, so now I can't turn on my computer. So I said, that's all right, I'll part it out. I love my Toshiba. I've had that thing forever. So I have another one that is, I think, a little newer. And that one, bless his heart, he's like, I'm going to see if I can find you a battery. So I told him, he knew it was a Toshiba. And so I gave him the model number, the satellite. It's a satellite, blah, blah, blah. And so he went on Walmart app on my phone and he's like, look, I found one. It's like $25. So I ordered it because right now I have to keep it plugged in. Otherwise it dies because the battery is bad in it. And so now I'm going to get a new battery. So I can't beat $25. Alright, so chipboard frame and the die cuts are all Hip Kit Club's exclusive die cuts and chipboard. That phrase sticker is from last year's kits, 2018. And eventually Theo's gonna come back and take a bath on my layout. Oh, this is where I have to fight. This is what I have to fight with my glue. It's clogged, so I try to take a pin and I try to clean it and squeeze it real hard so it comes out. But and that was a chipboard. That circle was a chipboard sticker that I just peeled some of the layers off so it would lay flat. And if they're watching a movie or playing a game. Ah, they're playing a game. Sounds like they're beating something up because I can hear like they're hitting something. They might be playing what is dodgeball? I think so. You have to get the ball and throw it at your opponents. So I'm just going to glue this down because I realized that that I have old Christmas tree and there are some ornaments that look like they're hanging. So here we go. And I'm going to put them underneath the tree, the word tree, so it'll look like ornaments hanging off of a tree. So I'm just going to add some more stickers. And I'm going to try to use some more of them, but that doesn't work. He's wanting to play. And then I decided not to put anything in the middle of that frame because I figured it would make for a good journaling area. And then I'm going to do some sequins. Oh, sorry, the chipboard frame. My bad. The chipboard frame is from last year's kit as well. And then so are these sequins that I'm going to put down. I'm trying to get him to play with that so he doesn't play with my sequins, because where they fell is where I'm going to glue them down. And then I'm just using my silhouette sticky tool. It works really good for that. Alright, so I'm just finished gluing my sequins. Which goes rather quickly. So I just have to make sure that I have them all glued down in case I didn't miss any. Oh, I'm petting Theo, I believe. Oh, no, I'm texting. Sorry, I'm doing my phone, I guess. I don't know what I'm looking at. Oh, I'm doing my email, I think. Or maybe I had something and I'm watching Boomerang, my morning cartoons. And I'm going to write down what it is I did and product I used so I don't forget. And then when I have that done, that pretty much is going to complete my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys, and being patient with Mr. Theo. Bye.